me. All right. You know what this is, don't you? It's the first ever image of a black hole.
All right. Why should we care? Local NASA Ambassador Danielle Jones is here to explain.
Welcome back.
What does this have to do with us here on Earth?
Oh my gosh. This is, as a physicist by nature, this is probably, every time I'm here, I'm like, this is my favorite story.
You were geeking out over this, weren't you?
I lost my mind. I worked the night before and I stayed up and I woke up to about 50 texts from colleagues. Can you believe they found this, they did this? So anyway, so basically it's a big deal because it's proving Einstein's theory of relativity,
Okay.
which he himself did not even believe. But basically what that says is if you put enough matter into one point, it will eventually collapse. And nothing can escape from it. And the pictures that you're looking at,
From 55 million light years away.
55 million light years away. And this image is so big. Well, let's talk about how we got the image actually.
All right.
So what we had to do is use 8 different telescopes, which combined are bigger than the size of our Earth.
Wow.
Just the scope,
Wow.
yeah.
Huh.
The scope of which that they would use, or that's what was detected. So we took all of these images over the course of 10 days, and you could only do them simultaneously from different points in the Earth. This is so large that this is bigger than our solar system. This
The black hole is?
Yes. And the light that you're seeing kind of spewing out of it and then being sucked into the center is 5,000 light years across. It's shooting out. Yeah.
Wow.
Right. So what you're looking at, the circle itself is called the event horizon. That's the place from which light cannot escape. Light is the fastest moving thing that we know. And so it's sucking and pulling in stars and planets. It's a very violent picture. It looks really beautiful, but it's more violent than our sun. And thanks to Katie Bowman, who developed the algorithm to put all of this together. She's 29.
Holy cow.
She works she's at MIT, and she
Atta
develops.
girl.
I know
She figured out how to link all these telescopes?
Yeah, she developed the technique that we're using to photograph these and then put them all together. And the data from this alone is so big that we had to fly it from the South Pole, and it took 6 months because the South Pole's only open so many months a year. So we had to physically bring it because the internet would have been too slow to transfer the images. That's how big this
That's
is.
mind-boggling.
Yeah, and I mean, and the reason we haven't had any pictures of black holes is because you need light to take pictures, right? So if it's sucking in light and light can't escape it, you can't photograph it. So yeah, so they used a combination of radio and X-ray telescopes to take that amazing picture.
I saw on social media a little teaser that there might be some NASA folks coming.
Oh, yeah.
You want to tease that a little bit?
Let's see, what can I say? I will say that I'm trying to do my first ISS uplink, so we get to talk to the space station.
Cool.
And then I'm going to bring some friends of mine who've been maybe to space once or twice.
That would be awesome.
That's going to be cool.
Yeah.
Danielle, thank you for joining us. And you can follow Danielle on Instagram at Casey's NASA Lady. You can also book her to speak at schools or events. Just go to her website, caseysnasalady.com.
Yeah.
Out of this world, Danielle.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Matt?